For a million years, I slept and I woke. I cried with stones and smiled with flowers. I built the palaces and destroyed them, and now we meet. Hear my call, walk across my vast waters, speak with the spirits of my rivers, feed my shallows, crack my secrets, savor my dishes, hunt my treasures, fade in my woods, bathe in my springs, talk to my ancients, follow my paths, conquer my roads, tame my beasts, taste my air, smell my freedom, become my giant, my demon, my hero. To meet me, nature, your own nature.